Hello Glam fam, welcome back to MBGE. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe, turn on your notification bell. Yes, subscribe. Yes, like this video, send in your nice comment and your questions as well, and also share this video to your family and friends. On here we deliver educational, informative and entertaining content on the concept of makeup and skincare. Therefore, you need to turn on your notification bell so you can get updates on new videos. Hello Glam fam, welcome back to MBGE. In the next few weeks, I'll be reviewing all the makeup products I've used so far, so you can be better informed on what is what when you purchase. A whole range from foundation all the way to lip stains and glosses. Make sure to subscribe to this channel, yes, so you can get updated on new tutorials, new content. You have to turn on your notification bell as well, and make sure to like as well. Send me your nice comments and share this video to your family and friends. Thank you for staying tuned in today's video. See you in my next video. Bye.